Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCGD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis last week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. After today's price movement, though, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains. It's just not relevant right now, and from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 26 cents is now going to be that newest area of resistance on any sort of attempt to the upside. And again, that was just a pretty solid area of support over the past few days. But then this afternoon, when the price did fall below it right there, and you can see that it was essentially kind of opened up the little miniature floodgates to the downside. It's not like the price totally collapsed or anything like that, but either way, it's separated itself further enough down where that level would definitely be considered an area of resistance. Now, what about levels of support going forward? So if this movement is going to find some sort of stabilization, next key overall level of support going to be right there at that previous breakout point, which sits at basically 18 cents. So makes perfect sense actually why the price found some consolidation right there. Again, you go back here and just basic rules when levels of resistance are broken. So that was clearly a level of resistance. It was broken right there. You want to see the MACD as support, and that played out perfectly here. So 18 cents, like I said, that preferable level that you would want to see hold. And so far, so good. I will map out one more area of support just in case the price doesn't quite hold up above there. And that next key level would be down there right around 12.5 cents. So all in all, rough day. But from the big picture of things, the price does still have an overall opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So yeah, in and of itself, just today, rough day. But looking at multiple days, price, like I said, does have the opportunity to build an overall higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.